Question 3. In the USA, 1 gallon of fuel costs $4.83. In the UK, 1 liter of fuel costs 1.62 pounds. The exchange rate is 1 pound is equivalent to $1.215, and 1 gallon is equivalent to 3.785 liters. So, in which country does 1 liter of fuel cost more and by how much? Give your answer in dollars. The first thing is to convert the UK price to dollars per liter. So we're told that in the UK, 1 liter of fuel costs 1.62. So we just need to convert that into dollars. So what we're going to have is 1.62 times 1.215, which is the rate there. So when you do this, we're going to get this number of dollars to be 1.9683. So that is the, the price in dollars per liter for the UK. So for the USA, we have that 1 gallon of fuel costs 4.83, but 1 gallon is equivalent to 3.785 liters. So all you need to do is convert this to price per liter. So we just take $4.83. We divide by the number of liters. So we are given that this is the price per gallon. So 1 gallon contains 3.785 liters. So we divide this by 3.785 liters. So when we do this, we get the price per liters in dollars to be 1.2757 So the question was, in which country does 1 liter of fuel cost more and by how much? So we can see that the one for the UK is more expensive or is greater. So we'll say the one for UK is greater than the one for the USA. But the question is by how much? So by how much, it means we just take the difference between the two. So we're going to have 1.9683 minus 1.2757, and that will be the same as $0.69.